PD arrays, premium discount arrangements. What are they and how can we use them in our trading? So if we have something that looks like this, what do we expect the market to do next? Well, with the concept of PD arrays, we can expect that the market will either come down to discounted pricing and continue higher, or balance out at equilibrium, which is the middle mark of this arrangement, and then continue higher. Why is this important? We know that the market does one of three things at all times. It's either seeking to balance inefficiencies, it's either seeking equilibrium of PD arrays, or it's seeking liquidity, right? Premium discount arrangement PD arrays are great for trading because they can tell you in real price action time when a market is overextended, when price is likely to reverse, when price is likely to continue lower. These are all great things that we can use with a PD array, right? And I will give some live examples on the chart of PD arrays and how we can find them and actively use them, right? So here we see this break of structure right here, this market structure shift. Okay, we have our range low and our range high, right? This is on a higher time frame. This is the 30-minute. We can draw from the bottom of our range to the top of our range, okay? And extend that here. We can see that the market came down, dipped into our discounted pricing levels, and then continued higher. Why is that? Well, if you're buying something, you need to be buying at the best possible price, which is, in this case, discount pricing. So we can see market came down, tapped into this order block, and continued higher. If you're selling something, for example, short positions, you want to borrow at the best possible price, which is premium pricing, and then buy back when it's lower to make your profit, right? And I'll try and find an example of the market balancing itself again, possibly here. When equilibrium is hit, the market will continue back down, or the original direction of which it came, right? So we can see right here, it came up, balanced to this point of equilibrium, and instantly dumped, continued lower. Why is that? We can see this beautiful order block right here, and this fair value gap right above. There's lots of strong selling pressure on this leg down that gave us this strong market structure shift, right? So market broke structure, came down, tapped into our premium pricing, and then continued lower, right? This is a very basic example of the use of PD arrays. And one thing to note too is that PD arrays should work like this when connecting in a range. When you know a retracement is coming, you see this harsh move down with this break of structure, and you start to see the market starting to climb back up. This is when you would draw your PD array, because you know that we are in a bearish market trend, we are in a bearish trend currently, and we're seeking to go lower, right? There's strong selling pressure, but what should you watch for? You should watch for price to balance to equilibrium or return to premium pricing. You should not be taking sell positions down here. You should only be taking buy positions in discounted pricing, right? I'm sure a lot of you have used indexes like the RSI and the stochastic and all these kind of things. They represent overbought and oversold levels, right? One of the main things they're used for is overbought and oversold. And this is kind of a real-time price action use of overbought and oversold levels, right? And I'll just quickly show you guys how I actually draw my PD array, which is a quick kind of sleek looking grid here. On the price levels, I'll have the 0 level, the 1 level, and the 0.5 level. I'll have right labels clicked on just because I like my labels on the right side. And for the time levels, you'll set 0 and 1. That's all you need to do. That is all you have to do to have a good looking PD array, right? Just simply use the GAN box. PD arrays can be so useful in trading. They can define where you want to take your trades. They can represent where the best trade lies, which confluences hold more power in the range we're looking for. Lots of amazing things from PD arrays, right? So I hope this video helped.